Hi, welcome back to my channel once again. It's a DIY face mask day with anti-aging, skin brightening and peach fuzz hair removal. So let's get started. The main ingredient is rice flour. Good for anti-aging, lightening the skin, repairs the skin. Ingredients needed for this mask: 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, pinch of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of rose water, and some hot water. Yes, we need some hot water to mix it well. Most important thing, you have to apply it on your face when it's little lukewarm. Pull all your hair back with a headband. Clean your face nicely. Remove all the excess makeup or any kind of moisturizer or cream from your face. To apply the face mask, I'm using a Morphe face mask brush. Application of the mask. Apply it downwards. Usually all the face masks we apply it upwards on our skin, but this one goes downwards according to your hair growth, because remember, this is not only going to exfoliate your skin, but also it helps to remove the extra peach fuzz from your skin. So applying it downwards is very important. So once applied one coat, wait to dry a little bit and then reapply one more coat all over your face. It should be a little thicker mask. So 2 layers is really important. And let's wait for good 35 to 40 minutes, I would say. Let it dry well. Make sure you're not using a fan to dry it. Let it dry nicely, naturally. Wet your face with water and scrub it anti-clockwise or upward motions, because remember, we have to work on that peach fuzz, so we have to scrub it opposite direction of our hair really well. Scrub it nicely. Now for oily or combination skin, use it twice every week, and for dry skin, just once every week. Wash it off with water. Apply your favorite rose water after that, and love your skin you're in. Also, you will love the texture. So supple, soft, glowy, and if you use it religiously, believe me, slowly and gradually, all your pigmentation marks will lighten up. So get rid of the dullness from your face and also take away the peach fuzz from your face. If you like my video, do comment and subscribe to my channel. Love you all.